Hi, Gordon Birkin at Paul Davis Restoration of Broward in North Miami. In addition to Matterport, I'd like to let everybody know that we're also using a product called Encircle. Encircle is a photography program that really helps us to track the progress on our jobs. All of our people are very accustomed to going in and shooting what has happened since our last visit. We can make all of that available to our clients, to our homeowners, and anybody else who needs that documentation. Encircle is a product that we've been using for about 2 years now. And what's great about it is we can start the jobs off by using Matterport, so we always know where we began. And then with Encircle, it's different because it's actual photographs, but it'll help us to see the progress on the job. So whether it's somebody in the office who never actually gets out to the jobs, we can put them in there by letting them have access to the Encircle photography. It's an amazing tool.